we go outside for his Mustang?
I'm about to say, you know, I'll just look at the clip. What about it?
Little off.
Hey, dude, it's fine. What's up, guys? It's your boy, Eric Burdett. Back with another video. Look at that F100 looking shiny. Today is a nice, spontaneous video. We're gonna work on this kid's junk because he hit, what'd you hit, Charlie? Anyway, he damaged his Jeep a little bit, so let me pull the F100 out of the way and then we'll get to working. Look at that. Listen to that camlope. All right, guys, so we're gonna do a little bit of work to Charlie's car. As you can see, it's a piece of trash.
Hit that bump so hard, my vent thingy came out. That's a lot of oil. So, can we jack it up and I wanna check the ball joints.
Oh, look at that aesthetic bumper. We're not making fun of you, Charlie.
That?
I'm making fun of you.
God, you need a jack.
Maybe you need a jack.
Me, all. Hey there, you know what?
As he cranks, that freaking moves. I got it. If you guys haven't seen the last video where I put these chrome pieces on and did a couple little other things this thing, click the link right up there. It's a very interesting story. Anyway, let's get back to working on Charlie's piece of junk. How's it going? Oh yeah, that's what I like to see. Whoa, there you go. Mama.
Almost lost my cool there.
Cut my hand, guys. We have a feeling Charlie has damaged his tie rod severely. You, sir, have made a rookie mistake.
Hold my brake.
You're the one.
Hold my brake.
Ain't gonna do it.
All right.
Man, I bet you have had a lot of women in this thing.
Yeah.
Oh man, we got a little torque on the wheel action. Oh, mama. Hey, your theft light's on. Dude, it literally doesn't flash at the same rate.
Music bed.
Mustang owners.
Oh, yeah.
You want me to get the saws off?
Nah.
Dude, let me cut the bottom grill out. Like, I think it'll look good. Is it broke?
Nah.
What are we looking at?
I don't even know.
Oh, that's good.
Well, that looks fine.
She looks fine, but she's a little used.
It's just in two pieces.
Yeah.
It's like, is your tire rod supposed to be in two pieces?
Bro, you just weld back together.
Oh yeah, that's money. She's good.
I'm scared.
Don't cut your hand. Gotta be real delicate with it. It's like a woman.
I don't know what that's like. I'm out. Reload. Oh, what?
Quickly reload.
That's not fucking sketchy.
Oh yes. You got a little more to go.
Just a hair.
Oh yeah, baby. You got one more little tooth to cut off.
Oh, you're right.
She looks a little retarded.
As if that's what's going to make this look retarded.
You're not hitting the radiator.
Please hit the radiator. Dude, I don't think she's ever looked better. What do you think? Dude, I like it. It's like direct injection.
Hey, he's committed to the game.
You know what you did? You went full race car. What do you think?
Hey, it looks better than that hanging down.
You know what? I second that. We're not gonna need this where we're going. So, are you proud of yourself?
No.
Cause I'm proud of you.
No.
Let's take the seat out.
Oh, your dad's like, what the to your front bumper?
That's the face of a racer or a ricer. Is that a zip tie, Charlie?
There's a short throw.
You know how I love content. Do you know how I love content? Because I'm part of the good content. Whoa, mama. Dude, what is that Jeep in the background? You see that thing?
Nope.
Isn't that in like my last video?
Nope.
If you want to go see that video, you should go up there.
Link in description. Like and subscribe. Man, bro.
Apple tooth, baby. Snaggle tooth.
Dude, when he picked up his hammer, I was like, he's actually doing this.
I was like, what's he gonna do? Hey man, what's this thing run?
Eventually. You're wearing shorts that stop above your knees.
Yeah, so I can show off my vein.
Your varicose vein.
I don't know what that means.
It's a vein that looks like your stretch marks.
Wow.
I'm sorry, that was me.
I'm gonna, you know what, right now?
Should we go outside and show his Mustang?
I'm about to say, you know, I'll just flip to the clip.
No.
I can just, let's flip to the clip of Charlie's Mustang.
No. Guys, please don't.
Alright guys, I'm about to go to the gym. They're about to go to a social.
I'm about to head out.
You gotta slap
We're
the
about
knee.
to
You gotta
pop
slap the
some
knee.
caps.
You gotta slap the knee. But alright, thank you guys so much for watching.
Wow.
As always, please like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, right Charlie?
Yeah. 27 likes.
There's gotta be something cool we can
If we
do.
get 27 likes, Eric will sell every vehicle he has and buy a dependable car.